guys. It's actually not raining here in Cinque Terre.
Yeah, yesterday was just a really rainy day all around, so we just took the opportunity to kind of catch up on some work.
Yeah, it pretty much poured all day from when we woke up until about 7 o'clock, and we pretty much immediately went out to explore.
Today is looking very nice and sunny, and we are going to head out and hopefully visit some of the other towns that are in Cinque Terre.
After yesterday, this is our only full day in Cinque Terre, so we don't really have much time, so I hope we can get some exploring done. Although it's nice that we're staying in the middle of one of the towns, so we've at least seen this one a bit. So let's get to it.
Cinque Terre is a series of 5 little villages on the Mediterranean coast. The whole area is actually a national park. There's not a lot of roads that connect the villages because the coastline is pretty rocky, but there is, however, a train that goes from village to village, and I think we're gonna go hop on that train right now and try to get to some of the other towns.
Made it out for about 10 minutes before we needed some cappuccinos. Okay, so we decided to buy 2 Cinque Terre cards. The train goes right through here and it stops at village to village. One way it's €4 a person, and then if you come back it's €4 a person. So it makes sense to buy these if you're gonna go to more than one village. So with these you can hop on and off the train as many times as you want. These are €16 a person for one day. You can also get them for multiple days. They also cover the paid bathrooms in Cinque Terre, a few of the paid walking paths, and a couple other things that I can't remember that she said.
Our plan today is to visit all 5 towns in Cinque Terre. So we've come all the way to the north end, and we're gonna make our way back to Riomaggiore by the end of the night. There's the train. The first town of Cinque Terre is Monterosso, and that's where we are right now. Monterosso is small, but it's unique as it is the only village in Cinque Terre with a large enough beach for sun loungers and umbrellas.
We took the train one stop to Vernazza, which is one of the bigger towns in Cinque Terre. It's super cute. It's got this cool like beach area and this like, I don't know, jetty, I guess. And we got a couple focaccia pizzas and we're gonna go eat in the sun because the sun's out. I'm so happy. Found a little hole in the wall shop that was selling focaccia pizzas, so we grabbed a couple for takeaway, and we're trying Italian lemon soda, limonata as they say, and it's really popular here and it's delicious, let me tell you. I'm a huge fan of lemon stuff, so I'm pretty much in heaven on the Mediterranean coast, but the sun has come out, finally getting some good weather, and things are looking up.
Decided to head up to a walking trail that's just outside of town, and it goes through these really narrow little streets up to the edge of town, and it's really cool. I mean, the whole street is less than 6 feet across. Pretty neat.
We were hoping to hike up to the famous kind of Vernazza viewpoint, but the trail is closed, which we actually hear is a pretty common occurrence in Cinque Terre because there's trails all in between the villages. So we were really hoping to get a photo up there, but I guess we'll have to find another way. She's breaking the rules. We made it to Cornelia, which is village 3 of 5, on our way south down all the Cinque Terre villages. This one is smaller and it's also like perched up on a hilltop. So we're walking from the train station to see how we can get up there, and there should be a great view.
After hiking up what felt like 100 switchbacks, we finally made it to the town. And this one is a little different from the other towns. It's set up higher on the hill. It's not right down by the water like the rest of them have been. Surrounding the town are all of these terraced hills where they have some vineyards, there's some lemon trees, and a couple different crops being grown. There is a bus that'll bring you up to the town from the train station. This one definitely has its own little charm.
We have about 8 million stairs to go back down to the train station, so got some gelato for the way. We just missed a train right before we got here, so we have to wait about 20-25 minutes. Next we're going to Manarola, which we can see from here, and it looks super cool. We're gonna try to get some food and a cheeky little cocktail over there.
Even though it's just right there, it takes like an hour and a half to walk to it.
It's just right there. In this general area. But, oh. Made it to village number 4. It's Manarola, and it is a showstopper. Then we got here when the light is really nice, so it's great for photos. And we've seen this bar restaurant on Instagram, and it's got a fantastic view overlooking the village. So we've ordered some bruschetta and meat and cheeses and a couple of cocktails, and we're just gonna enjoy the view. The restaurant we went to is called Nessun Dorma. Sorry if I mispronounced that. It's across from the center of the Manarola village, so you get a fantastic view. It's kind of up on a cliffside, and if you come here a couple hours before sunset, the light's really nice on the village. We're actually standing just above the bar right now, so this is kind of the view that you get. Back to our home village of Riomaggiore because the light is, I'm gonna take a few photos. So I definitely consider what we got at Manarola to be appetizers because we just got ourselves a pizza. It's a good end to a very busy day of exploring Cinque Terre, which now has a little bit of my heart.
After a really awesome sunset, we have made our way back to the Airbnb.
That was a long day.
Yeah, Cinque Terre was really amazing though. We've talked about coming here for years, and I'm so happy that we finally made it happen.
It actually worked out. And there's hardly anybody here right now.
Mega bonus. Mega bonus.
Pretty much only other European tourists. Everyone seems surprised to see a couple of Americans here at the moment. Thanks so much for watching our adventures in Portofino and Cinque Terre. We have some awesome ones coming up, including Venice and Florence, yay! So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you catch those.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Kelly and Kevin from the Awkward Tourist. Peace out. She finds a cat.
So they like me. Oh yeah, this is like circa 1999. I don't want to get demonetized. I think I was holding it really close to my face while it was happening. There's a bee! Wait, do I have something in my teeth? Yes, I do. That's cool. Thanks for telling me, huh?
I didn't know you had anything.
This is gonna be a great blooper.